This is how you make a really good hot dog. So for starters, this is kind of interesting. 8 hot dog buns in a pack. Who would have thought that? And guess how many hot dogs I got on my grill right here? Let's see. I'm gonna give y'all some, let's see if we pull this out. What y'all think? How many hot dogs do you think are on the grill? That's right, there's 8. So I got 8 buns, I got 8 hot dogs. To make a really good hot dog, man, what you do, I just get the cheapest buns I can find, man. I don't spend a lot for the buns. A bun's a bun. Toast your buns. Now, if you really want to make it even more impressive, what you can do is you can put some butter and some garlic powder and a little bit of sea salt on the inside of the bun. Kind of toast it and makes it, I mean, that's next level good, man. But if you just want to be excellent, do what I do here, man. Just go to the store, get you some cheap hot dog buns. You know, check the expiration date, make sure they're fresh, and then put them on your grill, preferably like I do with cast iron. And then cover it up. You want to let these toast for a little bit. You know, you don't want to get them too hard where they're crunchy, but you want to have them, you know, have a texture to them and have that good sear mark from the grill on the buns. And I'm gonna let these toast a little bit, and I'm gonna show you what it does here. So I flipped the buns a few times, and this is what they look like when they're perfect, in my opinion. So you can see here, you got a little bit of brownness. You got a little bit of marks, but they're not burnt. And that's the main thing. So take your buns off while they're still good and hot. Again, on the inside, they're very soft and, you know, have that moist type feel. But on the outside, they're warm and semi-crispy. That's exactly what you want, man. And then see, I got my hot dogs. My hot dogs are obviously ready. So I just put all this on a plate. And I take it in. Never been a fan of dressing up hot dogs outside because got flies and all that stuff. I mean, not that it matters, but if you're grilling at home, you know, you might as well just fix your hot dogs on the inside and not have to deal with bugs. You can eat outside, but fix them inside, man. These hot dogs are gonna be perfect. There's one for the dog. Oh man, that's disappointing when that happens. So now there's 8 buns and 7 hot dogs. 6. Wait a minute, was there an extra? Wait a minute, did I miscount? This is really weird if there is. Let's see. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nah, there's only 7 there. And then number 8's on the ground. Let's take these hot dogs, dress them up. I'm gonna show you how to do it right. So here's the finished product. You can see I got fresh peaches and cream corn covered with butter. I've got air fried French fries. Check out my other video. I'll throw up a YouTube card where you can find how I do those. And then I've got the hot dogs you just saw with the toasted buns. I added some shredded cheese. You could throw it back on the grill if you want to melt that cheese, but I just put it on there, man. The hot dogs were so hot, they started to melt the cheese anyway. And then I've got mustard and mayo chup. And you're probably like, what is mayo chup? Well, it is good. And you can find it, expand this video's description, and then click the link there. It's a really, I don't know, tell me what you think. If you pick up some mayo chup, tell me what you think. It's kind of my new thing for my hot dogs. It just makes them different. Thanks for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe. YouTube.com/IrixGuy. And y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain IrixGuy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.